when you're washing your stuff, it's really important to make sure you empty your pockets out of your clothes before you wash things. And also another good idea is maybe to empty your pocket, to check the washing machine to see if anything in there that's going to stain whatever you're washing is going in there, and to make sure you take it out before you wash. Not gonna lie, this is kind of my fault. I should have checked the washing machine before I put my white sheets in with a pen that was left by my mom. Funny story, this video ended up being more of a coffee and story time rather than a coffee knit with me story time. Pardon me while I take a sip of my coffee. Hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and today in this video I have a coffee and story time, and also a knit with me story time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, in between certain clips, I'm gonna switch between knitting and having a cup of coffee, because I tried to do it all at once in one clip, but I ended up accidentally knocking my coffee over, and I got it all over my floor and on my bed skirt, so I ended up having to wash all that. So I'm just going to do it in between so I don't do too many things at once. So anyway, today in this video I have a story for you guys today about the time I accidentally washed one of my mom's pens with my white sheets. So this is a story about a time I forgot to check the washing machine, and my mom had done her laundry the night before, and I guess she forgot to empty her pockets, and she has a bad habit of leaving pens with her laundry, and I accidentally didn't check before I put my white sheets in, and I got a ink stain on my white sheets. Well, which wasn't that big of a deal to me because it was just on the corner, it wasn't too noticeable, but I made that mistake, so I should have probably made sure there were no pens in the wash before I washed my sheets. So this is a story just to teach you guys that you should always either empty your pockets before washing like pens with your white clothes, because you don't want your white clothes to get ink stains, because once you get an ink stain in your white stuff, you can't get it out. So always just make sure you either empty your pockets or check the washing machine before you put something white in the wash, and just so you don't accidentally stain whatever's white that you don't want an ink stain on. So I'm going to get started, and I hope you guys enjoy this. So this all started last year. It was a Saturday, and I like to do my laundry on a Saturday so I have enough clean clothes for the week. So it makes it a lot easier for me to do my laundry. So on a Saturday. So I go to wash my white sheet. My mom had done her laundry the night before, and as she was doing her laundry the night before, she got all her clothes and stuff ready so I could do my laundry the next day, because I take a bit to do my laundry because I have to do my laundry in sections. So anyway, I put my white sheets in the wash. I don't look before I put my sheets in the wash, but I accidentally didn't even realize that my mom had a pen that she had washed in the washing machine, and I didn't even know it was in there. So I go and wash my sheets, and when the sheets are done and everything goes smoothly and the sheets are done being washed, I pull them out, and my mom goes to pull them out for me because she was right over by the washing machine and she transferred my laundry for me. And she noticed that there was a ink stain on the corner, and then she looks in the washing machine, and then it turned out that she forgot she put a pen in the wash. So she pulled the pen out and she apologized to me. She goes, "I'm so sorry, Mena, I got an ink spot on your sheets." And so I look at the spot and I realized it was just on the corner. So it didn't really bother me that much, but I decided to see if I could try to get it out. And I told her, "Don't worry about it. It's okay. It's not that big of a deal," because it was just on the corner and it wasn't like it was all over the sheet, or else I would have probably had to throw those sheets away. So anyway, it wasn't really that big of a deal. But I wanted to see if I could try to get the stain out. So I tried washing it with some bleach, didn't work. I tried doing a trick where I just let it sit in soapy water and soak, put it back in the wash, didn't work. So unfortunately I had to get stuck with the ink stain, but because it, like I said, because it was on the corner, it really didn't bother me as much as my mom thought it would. So I was very okay with it, and I just decided to not let it bother me and just keep the ink stain on, even though we had tried multiple times to get it out. It just didn't work. And I definitely also did learn my lesson to make sure I check for pens in the washing machine before I wash my stuff. So the moral of the story is when you go to wash stuff, make sure you empty your pockets before you put stuff in the wash. Like, let's say a pen and stuff, because you don't want the pen to stain any clothes or anything. It's just a really good idea because people don't like stains on their clothes. And just make sure you empty your pockets and do not wash pens with your stuff, because if you wash pens with your stuff, the ink's gonna get on your stuff, and pen stains are completely impossible to get out. I know, I've tried. So just always empty your pockets before washing stuff, so then you don't wash something like a pen that's gonna stain all your stuff. So that was the story about how I accidentally washed a pen with my white sheets. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye. If you like this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really make my day.